Hello guys, welcome to Monkey News. And today we are in Monkey's place. Oh, bruh. And the reason why we are in Monkey's place, because this is going to be their last update. I know it's sad, but Gandalf, the owner of this game, is making a new game called the Monkey Rounds. And the owner, not the owner, the video. You guys remember the video that I posted on this game on the April Fool's update? And then the secret door. Woohoo! Woo! Yeah, secret. Alright, we can actually open it now. And that's what we're gonna do in this video. So stay tuned if you want to know what is in that door. And yeah, that's it for Monkey News. Bye bye. I've heard there's like keys around the map. I know where all of them are, so yeah. So there's one in here. Got it.
I'm gonna break the doors. Last time when I was playing this, I was looking.
Alright. Behind this vending machine, it is right here. Got it. It is over here, behind the Gandalf cosmetic. This house, this one, right here. You go up here, and you can find it right here. I know it's pretty dark, but it's right there.
Got it.
And here?
Bro, I can't even.
And then you want to find that house here. Better go to this house right here on the second floor. Go inside it, and it should be around like right there.
Over here.
It's right here.
Got it.
We open the door. Now it's time to see what's behind it. Wait! Whoa.
Whoa.
So,
Basically the new game. No, soon.
yeah. This is the new game coming soon that Gandalf, the owner of Monkey's Place, is making. Pretty sure it's gonna be really cool.
You'll be able to play this game.
But this is going to be the last update of this game. So, yep. There's the end of this video. If you enjoyed, like, sub, maybe comment. And I'll see y'all in the next video.